What's going on? My name is Reginald Cuthbert. Most people call me Mr. C, and this will be a Toolbox Tutors Math Session. If you're new to these videos, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, we'll be solving linear systems using the graphing method. And by the end of this video, I'll show you step by step how to solve this example using the graphing method. Positive 5, so our first point, 0, 5, we'll go here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our slope is -1. And in order to make this a fraction, we put this over 1. And this tells us to go 1 down and 1 to the right, since this 1 is positive. If you are struggling with graphing linear functions, I'll leave a link to our other videos in the description below, where we actually go over how to graph linear functions in slope-intercept form. So from our y-intercept, we go 1 down, 1 right, 1 down, 1 right, 1 down, 1 right, as many times as we can. Since we can't go 1 down and 1 right anymore, what we can do is flip the slope. So instead of going 1 down and 1 right, we could change this -1 to a +1 on top. And this is +1 on the bottom to a -1. And this +1 tells us to go up. The -1 tells us to go to the left. So we go back to our y-intercept and we go up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1. And this is y equals -x plus 5 graphed on the coordinate plane. So now what we'll do is we'll look at -2x plus y equals -4 on the coordinate plane. So I'll use red for this one. So notice that -2x plus y equals 4 is not in slope-intercept form. So now to get this in slope-intercept form, what we want to do is solve for y, meaning we want y on the side of the equal by itself. So we want to keep this y here, but we need to move everything else away from it, which means we need to move this -2x. So if this is -2x, the opposite of subtracting 2x would be adding 2x. So what we'll do is add 2x to both sides of this equal sign. Now on the left side, this cancels out. We bring down our y, and we have equal sign, and we have +2x minus 4. Now notice that we have this is now in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So now that we have this in slope-intercept form, we can graph this just like we graphed the purple function above. So now our slope would be 2. Put this over 1. And we have a +2, +1. This tells us we need to go 2 up and 1 to the right. But before that, we need this y-intercept, which is -4. So 0, -4. And this is where we'll start. So 0, -4 is 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. And our slope is 2 up, 1 right. So 2 up, 1 right. 2 up, 1 right. 2 up, 1 right. 2 up, 1 right. And notice that we have a common point right here. This would be our solution. So over here, our right, find the solution is 1, 2, 3. So we go to the left or the right 3, and we go up 2. So our solution would be the point 3, 2. Thanks for watching our video on solving linear systems using the graphing method. If you're having trouble graphing functions in slope-intercept form or converting linear functions from standard to slope-intercept form, check out the description below, where I'll leave a link to the videos that we've already done on those topics. Till next time, have a good one.